Yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble 60 cm satellite dish. So my name is Boniface Nebo. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that all the videos we'll be releasing, you'll be getting the notification. These are the accessories. The accessories, the bolts, the nuts, and everything that is inside. All the things you need to assemble the dish with, they are there. All these are the accessories. So we'll be coupling everything together one by one, so you can learn how to do it. This one is the LMB, low noise block, LMB. This is the also L-shaped arm, L-shaped arm. So with these spanners size 10 and 11 and size 12, 13 ring spanners. These two spanners are what we need to use to couple it. So we'll be using these two spanners to assemble it. You can also use this small knife to cut these things open. So let me show you how you can assemble this particular satellite dish. This 60 cm satellite dish, you can use it to track free-to-air satellites like multi-TV satellite, Ghana satellite. You can use this particular dish to track Christian channels, Mytv Christian channels. You can use this dish to track it. You can also use this dish to track NBC free-to-air satellites. You can also use this particular 60 cm dish to track the signal. So let me couple everything up so that you can see how to do it. Okay, right now the first thing you are going to assemble is this particular one. As you can see, the arrow is pointing upside. The arrow is pointing upside. So this is indicating that you have to place it this way in an upside position using the bolts. Then use nuts and tight it. Use another bolt. Now tighten it up. Make sure you tighten up this particular point, because if you don't tighten it up, when you put it inside the dish, you will not be able to tighten up this particular place. So make sure you tighten it up. Okay, it's okay now. So with this, we can put this particular one. So you can see the stopper. The stopper is here. So this stopper is indicating that it has to be like this. So it has to be like this. Okay, that is why the stopper is indicating and telling you to put it that way, so that when this one comes, to just hook here, So this stopper has to be upside, in upside position. So with this, you can now use the bolt size to couple it up. Use another one, the short bolt. Tighten it up. You turn this other side. You tighten it up. You tighten it up as well. So with this particular side is now getting okay. Then you use this particular iron. This one is the one that holds the dish arm. You now put it inside. Use the cover to cover it. Cover it as well. So everything concerning this particular section is okay. So as you can see, we'll finish assembling this particular one. So now it is time to attach it, or we can still put the feed on this LMB holder. Tighten it up to this side. You use your spanner to tighten it up. Okay. So this is the LMB, the low noise block. You will insert it and cover it up. Use the nut and guide it. Use your screwdriver to tighten it up. Use also the nut. So this is the LMB holder or feed horn. So you can see how I will tighten it up. Okay, now this is how it will enter inside. I hope you can see it. So we can now guide it. You can also put the second bolt. These are the short bolts. Use it and guide it. Default position. So now we have finished guiding all the bolts and nuts in place. So we can now tighten everything up using size 10 ring spanner. We tighten everything up. So right now I've finished assembling the 60 cm searchlight dish. So this is how you do the assembling very well. So with this you are good to go to track any signal that you want to track. So this is how to assemble searchlight dish in a proper way. So if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more. Okay, this is the remaining part of the searchlight dish. I will also show you how you can just couple it up. These ones are the ones that will go on the wall, the one that we can mount on the wall, or you fix them on the dashboard so that the dish will now rest or inserted on top of it. So this is the one that will hold the dish. It is the dish holder. To couple this one, you just use your bolts. Just place it this way. Use the second one, couple it. Use the nut to tighten it up. So as it is now, while this one is the base, this one will first of all go on the wall. After that, you will now put this one inside there and tighten it up. Use this remaining bolt and nut to tighten up here. So I will show you how to mount this particular one outside. I will show you how to mount it outside. I will show you how to mount it on the wall so that you learn how to do it as well. So this is where it's supposed to enter. You can now tighten everything up. So this is a complete searchlight dish assembling. DStv searchlight dish assembling. So this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.